Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Toyota Yaris versus Kia Stonic. Let's start by looking at how these two vehicles perform at the pump. The Toyota Yaris, especially its hybrid variants, is a standout for fuel efficiency, often delivering over 69 miles per gallon. The Kia Stonic also offers competitive fuel economy, typically achieving around 50 miles per gallon. Your personal driving style and conditions will certainly influence these numbers. Next, let's talk about what's under the hood and how they feel on the road. The Toyota Yaris typically comes with a 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine, providing around 106 horsepower, making it quite nimble for city driving. The Kia Stonic often features a 1.0-liter turbocharged three-cylinder engine, offering between 98 and 118 horsepower. The Stonic provides a more elevated driving position, which many drivers appreciate for better visibility. Both offer a pleasant experience for daily commutes. Moving inside, let's explore the interior space and practical features. The Toyota Yaris offers a comfortable cabin and typically provides about 286 liters of boot space with the rear seats in use. The Kia Stonic, on the other hand, boasts a more generous cargo area, offering approximately 352 liters of boot capacity. Both models come equipped with modern infotainment systems and a good array of safety features, ensuring a connected and secure ride. Finally, let's consider overall value and warranty. The Toyota Yaris is well regarded for its long-term reliability and strong resale value. Kia, however, stands out with its industry-leading warranty, often providing coverage for 7 years or 100,000 miles, whichever comes first. This offers significant peace of mind. Ultimately, your choice depends on your priorities, whether it's fuel economy, cargo space, or warranty coverage. For more great deals and to check out those leak-proof meal prep containers, be sure to look at the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.